Tired of drowning in an Airtable base where every record looks the same? You know, when you're just staring at a wall of text, struggling to find that one crucial status or priority? Instantly transform your data with color coding, making all that crucial information jump out and speeding up your workflow in ways you won't believe. We're going to dive in and quickly set up a single select field. Then, we'll assign distinct colors to each of your options and apply these powerful visual cues right across your records for instant, crystal clear understanding. All right, let's jump right into it. First things first, head over to airtable.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your Airtable account now. This ensures you have full access to your bases. Once you're in, open up the specific base and table where you want to add some visual magic. This is where we'll be making all our changes. Now, the real power of color coding in Airtable comes from a specific field type, the single select field. This is how we're going to categorize our records, whether it's by status, priority, or project type. If you already have one that you want to color code, great, just find it. If not, just click the plus sign to add a new field, then choose single select from the options. Give it a clear descriptive name like status or priority, so you know exactly what it's for. Once you have your single select field, you'll want to click on the field's options or drop-down menu. This is usually represented by a little down arrow next to the field name. From that menu, you can edit the select options if needed. This is where you'll define all the different categories or statuses you want to use, like to do, in progress, completed, or high priority and low priority. Make sure your options are clear and cover all the possibilities you need for your data. Okay, this is where the magic really starts to happen. For each of those options you just created or already have in your single select field, like to do, in progress, or done, you'll see a little circular icon next to it. Click on that circle and a color palette will pop up. Your task here is to assign a distinct color to each option. This is super important for immediate visual recognition. Think about what these colors will mean at a glance. Maybe bright red for urgent, a calming blue for on hold, and a vibrant green for completed. The goal is to make these categories visually jump out, so choose colors that clearly differentiate from each other. This thoughtful color assignment is what transforms a simple field into a powerful data analysis tool, and it's a practice I use constantly in my own bases to keep things clear. Once you're happy with your color choices, make sure to save the field settings. There's usually a Save or Done button at the bottom of the Field Customization panel. This locks in your new color scheme. Now that your field is set up with all its beautiful colors, go through your records and select the appropriate colored options in your single select field for each one. As you select an option, you'll instantly see the record update with the new color tag. It's incredibly satisfying to watch your monochrome data come to life. And now for the big reveal. Once you've gone through your records and applied those newly colored single select options, your Airtable base will look completely different. Instead of a sea of black text, you'll instantly see those vibrant color tags right on your records. This is the core transformation we've been working towards. Imagine scanning a long list of tasks and immediately spotting all the urgent red ones, or quickly seeing which projects are in progress with their distinct yellow label. This isn't just about making things pretty. It's about drastically speeding up your ability to process information, make decisions, and prioritize your work. You can see these colored labels whether you're in the main grid view, a Kanban view, or even grouped records. The visual cues follow, making your data analysis instantaneous and intuitive. No more missed crucial information. And there you have it, a beautifully organized, color-coded Airtable base. This simple trick will seriously level up your data management. Happy color coding?